Every parent would love to see their kids feel empowered, creative, and confident. This can be achieved by learning to code, and that's where we come in. At CodeWhiz, we bring live instructor-led classes to your home so the children can get the opportunity to learn coding from experts from the comfort of their home. Our aim is to enable and empower children to become creators of technology, and our program features include real-world programming languages, online coding platform, class recordings for revision, project-based learning. We have a well-structured curriculum, and we offer evening and weekend coding classes. CodeWhiz offers professionally developed Python course for kids of ages 11 to 18 years. Learning to code is useful no matter what your child's career ambition is. Pave a path to the future of your children today. Visit codewhiz.org for more information and enroll.